How to turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device. Here, tap on General and then tap on the AirPlay and Continuity option you see there. Further, select the automatically AirPlay option you see there, and further, go ahead and select the Ask or the Automatic option for AirPlay to connect automatically. If you set it to Never, then AirPlay will be off. So once you have set your AirPlay to Ask or Automatic, go back to your home screen and scroll down from the top right of your screen. You will be led to your control center. Here, you will find the screen mirroring tab and tap on the screen mirroring tab and you will see the option for all the devices available for screen mirroring. Simply tap on the device that you want to screen mirror with and you will be asked to enter the AirPlay code. So enter the AirPlay code and then tap on the OK option you see there, and with this, the AirPlay will be connected. So this is how you can turn on screen mirroring on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.